Hello and welcome to the Plastotech, the world of plastic. So guys, I'm going to tell you about screw gauge or micrometer. What does the screw gauge and micrometer function? The most important function of screw gauge is it helps in determining the thickness of the product. Sometimes the thickness like sheet and all we can determine with the help of directly with the help of this particular screw gauge. This screw gauge has 0 to 25 mm of thickness. You can determine with the help of this screw gauge, and the least count is 0.01 mm. You can clearly see it has been mentioned. Now moving with the next step, you can clearly see that these are the 0 to 25 mm, and now you can see that this is some scales. The rotating scale is called circulating scale, and this is the main scale. This is the circulating scale which is been circulating. That particular scale is known as circulating scale. You can clearly see the circulating scale, how does it circulating, and this particular section, this scale is called circulating scale. And now I'm moving it backward, a little backward. You can see it. Then I will show you how does it functions. Now I have just moved it backward, and now you can see that some scale where it has mentioned 0, 5, 10, 15. This particular scale is known as main scale. This particular scale is known as main scale, and the numbers where the main scales numbers are being written are known as the baseline, or we may call that is as main line. Now I'm just putting a particular bolt over there. You can see that how does it determine. Now you can see that the 14. What does this number 14 says? The number 14 says that on the main scale our reading is about 14. The particular reading is exactly on 14 mm, not any number that is in points or that is in decimals. So it is 14 plus 0.0 because it is accurately at 14. Now you can see that there is a number like 30. That means you can see that a red line 30. Red 30 means now this is 30. That means 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, and we will just multiply with the least count, and it will become 0.30, and that the sum will be equal to 14.30 mm. Now you can see that this is how we measure that particular bolt that we are measuring with the help of this screw gauge. Now I am changing the you can see that this is how I have changed the dimension of the bolt. Now the bolt is at 11. You can see that if I am just tighten out, and the bolt's dimension become 11 mm. Particularly it's on 11 mm. You can see it. I'm just zooming it out, and plus 0.0, that means it is exactly at 11 point, plus it is on the circulating scale, it's 43, and we'll multiplying it by your least count, that is 0.01, and it's become 0.43. The sum will be equal to 11.43 mm. Now hope you will got the exact what does it mean, how does we calculate. Now I'm just replacing with another bolt that is 8. Now you can see that the exact answer would be on you can see that our bolt is on just above the marking 8, and that will be 8 plus 0.5. that means you can see that it is between 8 and 9. So I have mentioned the next step, that is 0.5 mm plus 0.28. What does it means? It means that the section is 25, 26, 27, 28. The amount is on 28. You can see on the reddish mark exactly below the 30. That means I have multiplied that particular section with 0.01. That is the least count. So our exact answer would be on 0.28, and when we will just total out, the exact thickness of the bolt will be 8.78 mm. So guys, this is our screw gauge. Hopes you got what are the contents in the screw gauge and how does we measure the screw gauge. So like our channel, share our video, and subscribe our channel for further videos I hope guys you all are well. Thank you and have a great day. Meeting in the next video with some more beautiful content and some more interesting content. Thank you and have a great day.